morning, kindergarten, and welcome to your writing lesson for Tuesday. Yesterday we wrote a sentence about what we did on the weekend. Today our success criteria is to link two ideas together. So we're going to use our sentence that we wrote yesterday. So Mr. Scar still has it up on our board. My sentence was, on the weekend I went for a walk with my puppy Boston. So I want you to do the same thing that you did yesterday. Write your same sentence, and then we are going to be linking another idea. It's really important that our two ideas make sense together. So once you've written your sentence from yesterday, or if you still have it from yesterday, that's great. Then we need to really think about our next idea that links together to our first, okay? So on the weekend, I went for a walk with my puppy Boston. I want you to think about your second idea. I know some of you did this for the extending task yesterday. You are going to have something different to do today, so have a look on Seesaw for that. But everyone else, you are doing this. On the weekend, I went for a walk with my puppy Boston. We, which is one of our popcorn words, we had lots of fun playing and you haven't learned in yet, but ing, playing at actually, that's not one of our popcorn words because you can sound talk it. Sorry, kindergarten. That is a popcorn word already up there. At the park. Alright, and then finish with your full stop. So I'm going to reread it to make sure that it makes sense. And I'm going to check off my checklist. On the weekend, I went for a walk with my puppy Boston. We had lots of fun playing at the park. Yes, it does make sense. Miss Lascaris did sound talk yesterday, and she also sound talk some of her words today. I do have my finger spaces. Remember, if you need to do your finger spaces while you're writing, use 2 fingers or 3 because your fingers are smaller than mine. I have a capital letter here, have a capital letter for Boston because it is his name, and I also have a capital letter for my next sentence. I have a full stop at the end of my first sentence, and I also have a full stop at the end of my second sentence. Right, so you are going to have your checklist. Looks a little bit different to Mrs. Scaris's, that you are going to tick off. And as I said, extending, you have a different task. Have a look on Seesaw for that. And also there will be a task if this is a little bit too challenging. All right, enjoy.